Good evening, family. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is well and well indeed. Welcome to the newest edition of Chicago Talk. You are looking at C Temptation, the hostess of the mostest, coming at you with another video. Want to start this video off by saying namaste, peace be unto you and everybody that is watching this video. Baby, I got a real juicy story that I need to share with you, and I got a real serious problem with this motherfucking nigga right here. I don't know what in the blue hell is wrong with this son of a bitch, but whatever his issue is, he need to get some form of counseling. He need to get his act together, because if he don't, this nigga gonna fuck around and end up wind up in jail over some stupid shit. I'm about to share with you a picture. I did report it like a couple of weeks ago that he had got into it with this lady. It was at an NBA All-Star Weekend game party, and they was at the party, and he was supposed to be allegedly talking to this lady, and the lady was talking to another man, and then Trey Songz called himself being jealous, and he ended up striking the lady. And I'm gonna show you proof, though. On what this nigga did to her. He had gave her some injuries, and then, and contrary to popular opinion, the injuries that I see, this is not cool. It is not a good look, and it's making it real bad for Trey Songz. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the pictures on TMZ, and I'm going to read you briefly the story and give you my intake. So let me show you the pictures right now, and that way you can see what's really going on. If I can back this up. I hope you guys can be able to see this. Hold on. Okay. And here's the second picture. And he punched her in the face, and then he had it looks like he gave her a black eye, and it looks like she has a couple of bruises on her back. Okay, so I'm gonna briefly read you the story, and then I'm gonna give my intake about this sorry ass nigga named Trey Songz. And the sad thing of it is, I really used to like him at the beginning, with all these different songs, and they were about love songs and making love to a woman, which I thought they were beautiful, but after discovering this particular song and what happened and looking at these pictures, I done lost total respect for this motherfucker. But anyway, to kind of give you a brief story about this, it says that Trey Songz, okay, according to this, though, that Lisa Bloom had filed a restraining order on behalf of the victim, the lady. And it says TMZ had learned that Bloom had went to court today asking a judge for a restraining order on behalf of the woman who claims he struck her during an NBA All-Star Weekend. Okay. TMZ broke the story. The woman says she and Trey Songz were at a Hollywood party when he hit her in the face out of jealousy because she was talking to another man. Now, that shows you right there, though, how very insecure that nigga is, though. And my thing is, if you're at a gathering like that and you see the young lady talking to another man and she's not starstruck like that, then just leave her alone and let her do her, though. It's plenty of women at those type of events that you could talk to, so why would you put your hands on her? Doesn't make no damn sense. Now, also says that Attorney Bloom says in her legal documents that Trey Songz choked the client, then began punching her in the face several times until she fell to the ground, and he continued striking her until security pulled him off of her. The woman says Trey Songz was hitting with such force that it was as if two men were fighting. She says she suffered bruises to her face and to her hands, which you already saw, according to the photos, though, off of TMZ. And damn, it says the woman also says she was trying to get away and call an Uber, but Trey Songz grabbed her cell phone and threw it down a hill. She says she had a second cell phone. He also took that phone as well and threw it down a hill. The woman filed a police report and went to the hospital just after the incident. Now, cops are still investigating the incident. And let's see, she worked at a nightclub industry, and Trey Songz frequents some of her clubs, and she's scared of him, which is why she filed the restraining order. Lord have mercy. And there's so many niggas that's locked up in jail, though, because of this. Now, from a previous case, it shows allegedly Trey Songz is currently on probation for pleading guilty to 2 misdemeanors after he went crazy throwing anything he could find off stage at his concert in 2016. He also was sued by a fan after he alleged smacked her phone out of her hand and into her face, breaking her glasses. Boy, he better hope and pray that his ass don't wind up in jail. Only advice that I have in reference to that, Trey Songz, you need to get some anger management classes going on, and you need to get some serious counseling, though, because you got some serious anger problems. I don't know what happened in your past, what happened in your childhood, whatever the case is, but my thing is this. Nigga, you 33 years old. It's time for you to grow your ass the fuck up. Go somewhere and sit your motherfucking sorry ass down somewhere. Get your mind right. Do what you need to do and leave these fucking women alone, though. Because, you know, that shit, because if you don't strike your mama like that, if you don't do your own mother like that, then what gives you the motherfucking right to sit up here and strike a woman like that? And then all these type of injuries and they putting it on TMZ? Dude, and you better hope and pray that security does not testify against your sorry ass. Because contrary to popular opinion, it's motherfucking niggas like you that really makes it hard for women like us. And I had just did a video just a week and a half ago talking about domestic violence. So guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going to consider this a part 2 about that particular story. And I'm using his ass as an example. So to all of my subscribers, my friends and followers that's on this channel, please leave a comment on the bottom and let me know what you think about this story with this sorry ass fool Trey Songz. And the main important key is to share, subscribe, and if you could find it in your heart to make some sort of small love offering that I like to use, I'm going to leave the information on the bottom. And also, if you want to send me a personal email, please email me at charris7102@gmail.com. Again, that's charris7102@gmail.com. You know, if you want to, converse with me on a one-on-one basis. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this video because I'm so sick and tired of talking about this motherfucker. But, and I'm sorry for using the profanity. But, baby, in this particular case, I got to stand up for all the women, and let them know what he did was wrong. And this is totally inexcusable. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. So I'm going to say, for those of you who are familiar with my outro, and also as well, I want to thank you all so very much to my new subscribers and welcome you to this channel of Chicago Talk. And I'm going to go ahead and say that I love you. I bless you. I have faith in you. And I realize the Creator in each and every one of you. So until the next video, I'm going to go ahead and drop the mic. You guys have a great Tuesday evening. Stay blessed. And I love you all. One love. Peace.